What up though? BlaKCrypto with anti-bro crypto, where the key to financial freedom is getting more crypto. Speaking of more crypto, go to moretokens.com. Try and get you some more crypto to where you have a chance to get more tokens. And also, it's not financial advice, but just great advice to go to hex.com and always buy and stake hex to keep your financial freedom in the future secure. Looking at some of the traditional markets, I want to get into the S&P 500 because we're usually pretty closely correlated to activity. We see a green day here, a bounce for the S&P 500, but could be more downside. You know, you never want to catch a falling knife, and that thing is pointed straight down. So I think we could be looking for some more support down here, which is kind of, it's interesting because I want to get into Hex a little later, but this is kind of what Hex has already done. And that's why I think Hex is kind of bottomed out and it's ready to start moving the other way. So that's it for the S&P. Looking at Bitcoin, wouldn't be surprised if that looks similar as soon as we get it to pop up here. And yeah, kind of got a similar thing packing up here. And yeah, it's got that same kind of, it could come as low here, but that's wishful thinking. I think we got enough support at this $9,000 level to keep the price up and start moving in this channel, moving to the upside. Taking out that old all-time high. Looking at ETH, I don't know what we got here. Yeah, down at about 870, 859. Just touching. Usually when I draw these circles, price likes to just touch it and go the other way. So this might be a nice bounce for Ethereum coming up soon. Maybe after this week when we get the numbers. Kind of buy the rumor, sell the news event. I guess that was the sell the news event here with the merge. But there's another event coming up when they release the numbers from the CPI. I mean, not CPI, but the inflation, if they want to decide on the numbers. So, they always got something going on in the news, cooking up a reason for why they doing, shaking up the markets. And yeah, I'm just waiting on my Lambo, man. Number 5 song, one Lambo, and then we'll be back to chop it up about Hex. All I got is means in these Lamborghini dreams. Looking at the screen, got me praying for some green. I thought it was you and me, you told me it was USDC. Shit ain't always as it seems. All I got is memes in these Lamborghini dreams. Looking at the screen, got me praying for some green. I thought it was you and me, you told me it was USDC. Shit ain't always as it seems. Shit was cool just a week ago, all smooth a couple weeks ago. You said the moon where we could go, you told me give it a week or so. You said just don't be scared, but you look scared just like me. So now you see why I'm going beast mode, why I'm acting out East Coast. I can't be eating no cheese toast and pot roast. I should be gallivanting in pot nose. God knows I know what you desire, but this the side note. My quote was just give it some time and we gon' climb way higher than all them high notes you hit when I'm inside those. Stick to the script and see where the ride go. We gon' blow like Chicago. She look at me like Chicago. Come on, baby, let's go get us some tacos. You be driving me psycho. You know, ferry up or sit down and shit like a psycho. I just act like it's a typo. This shit feel like back in high school. But back when we used to scrap and I get all the straps and rifles. I'm just saying I'm feeling stuck in the progression. Yeah, when is my Lambo coming in? Shouts out to BlaKC. Go to the SoundCloud and show some support over there. Looking at the big boy Hex. Down a little bit, man. We had the 3.2 cent. Nice catch. We did drop down to the 3 cent level for a second. And if I can hide some of this mess on the chart. So yeah, a nice little double tap. And that's why I think the S&P, they're still on this level here, waiting for the last leg to drop. I think Hex already found that floor, had a retest here. And notice that is technically a higher low. So getting a bounce, and I wouldn't expect nothing less than a nice rally from here on out. I think we have officially started our bull run cycle. So strap in. Now look, more downside possibly. We got some support down here at 2.5 cents. So wouldn't be surprised if we did come and test that level. But that's to me a buying opportunity to maybe scoop up one last moon bag. I don't think we'll stay there very long. Everything down to that downside has been a hard spike pause. Spiked up pretty hard, every time we come down. A lot of buyers down here. So yeah, man, that Hex is ready to blow. And the same thing with Hedron. On my last stream, I posted how I was aping in And I really thought we was getting ready to get out of there. But I see this is a nice wedge developed up here. Kind of faked me out. I didn't see that developing, but still a bullish. It's a bull flag right here, still setting up. So I wouldn't be surprised if we still see that move. And that makes me even more bullish now, because now I'm looking at this as the next target. And if I'm looking at a measured move from these levels, that's about a 1x right there. So yeah, still bullish, very bullish on Hedron until we get out of this little penny to great buying opportunity right there. So yeah, that's Hedron. Coming to my next song. This is something you probably haven't heard. You might want to go check out my Telegram, because I do sneak post some private exclusive releases. And this is one that I wrote called Keep On. And I'm gonna keep on doing this rap thing, man. So keep on rocking with me, BlaKCrypto. Let's go. When it's on and it's on, just gotta keep strong, keep on keeping on. I just hope they keep on bumping these songs when I'm gone. Till then I'ma just keep on keeping on, keep on keeping on. Like you know about me, know this beat gon' be about it. It's almost my B-day, I hope they throw me a party. Boy, you almost 40, you know you don't need no party. Nowadays it feel like we don't never see nobody. Kinda locked in stone, I feel like I don't need nobody. Already found my shawty, everybody needs somebody. Got babies of my own, so I ain't tryna feed nobody. And I forgot alone, so I ain't tryna please nobody. You know one thing about it, I be always reading about it. You wanna grow, you gotta go do more than dream about it. Hit that milk with that whip till I got cream about it. No niggas gon' jump ship, keep a tight-knit team around you. Keep tight lips, they sink ships, know you gotta move in silence. Keep a big stick, don't say shit, you ain't gotta use your violence. If it's conflict, then it's reflex, you ain't gotta think about it. Shit, now that I think about it, let's get back to the point. When it's on, then it's on. Gotta keep strong and just keep on keeping on. I just hope they keep on bumping these songs when I'm gone. Till then I'ma just keep on DJ keeping on. With the heads up, only 200 more subscribers to get me to that 1K. And I can do this every day. Also go check out some of my other streams. Shouts out to Buy More Tokens for the support. We're gonna rock as a squad. One all for one for all. You feel me? Moving on. Number 3, Maxi. We're gonna go into some of the other coins. You need to see in this ecosystem. Maxi, a direct derivative of Hex, where you can have liquid Hex as far as being staked. That Maxi is redeemable after a 555 stake. And yeah, not looking too bad. It's kind of got a similar structure as Hex, and I think that is a bottom. You can see this hard bounce here from that 6.9. So yeah, Maxi might be ready to blow. Also, a lot of people could have some more buy pressure. 1 week left until they're done with the mint phase for the perpetuals, so that could put more buy pressure on Maxi and send it on a nice run here pretty soon. So Maxi, I'm rocking with the Maxi. Icosa is another project. Hedron, if you mint Hedron and stake it, you got a chance to earn Icosa. Then you can stake Icosa and get some more Icosa in Hedron. And yeah, man, this is just crazy. This whole ecosystem, and Icosa is more of a I won't call it a stable, but it's been pretty linked to the price of the. I don't find Tangent online, and he probably has some more explanation about how and Blue Bomb. Shouts out to those guys. The whole Hedron system and how the Icosa yield is linked to the B share, and a lot of people like to have T share envy, but I think the B share is where you want to have your focus on. But we're making our money make money for us over here. This is Make It Make Sense, literally BlaKCrypto over on YouTube. And yeah, 745, get me to that 2K, man, or 1K. And yeah, make it make sense.
Now Weezy on the track, boy.
I just opened up my staker app, thought it was make-believe. I just opened up my staker app and had to wait to breathe. Check my app so much, my girl had to take that away from me. But when she gets some cake, but she want me to stake it faithfully. I had a friend at work who's shilling every coin from A to Z. Came to me talking XRP, I told him get away from me. And it's the average 36.7 APY for me. It's the daily payout every day at 5 o'clock for me. Said they got a fuck, I guess that mean we really about to eat. Crypto hibernating in the bird, they really about to sleep. I don't watch the charts, I got them t-shirts working while I sleep. And you get a chain to stake your copy on with lower fees. Keep the keys with me, a seed that I could carry overseas. Don't need the bank to oversee or take another cent from me, cause it's a trusted system that can pay you automatically, and you can set the date to start to pay yourself a salary. Every single day I'm working hard for the money. I'm just trying to find a way that I can make the money work for me. I just found a way to flip my money automatically, and all this cake I'm making got me thinking that it's make-believe. Every single day I'm working hard for the money. I'm just trying to find a way that I can make the money work for me. I just found a way to flip my money automatically, and all this cake I'm making got me thinking that it's make-believe. Every single day I'm working hard for the money. I'm just trying to find a way that I can make the money work for me. I just found a way to flip my money automatically, and all this cake I'm making.
Make it make sense, man. I'm just trying to make that money work for me. Working hard for the money. That's the number 3 video. All right, man. Moving on down to the post shitties. We got some more post shitties. We got post Doge leading the way, and yeah, having a nice bounce and sitting 2.3. And you know, I don't know what they got building over there. I mean, they got post Bitcoin. You know, a lot of people have kind of forgotten about the hype, so that's when I like to pay attention to a coin. It's when the hype has kind of died down. But you know, for myself, you know, I'm kind of be happy with the bag I got. I don't know, maybe, you know, pick up a couple here and there, but you know, that's post Doge. Looking at post Zen, I know a lot of people are kind of skeptical with the marketing of that and the tax tokens and all those. You know, do your own research on these things, but the price structure, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Having a nice retest of the old breakout as support. If I did want to move that up to here, where yeah, having a nice bounce. You're still under that resistance here. Totally wrecked. Excuse me, in my garbage truck in the background. But I do think that you know, PZN may be ready to make a move soon. I think if it was a rug, there was plenty of chance to rug, and so everyone getting in now, it's a nice bull flag setting up. Just my opinion, you know, definitely my opinion. I may take this one out altogether post Floki, not having a bounce at all, below a penny. Maybe say, you know, live right here. Let's just take them off the map. What do we have to do? Oh, just click the star. Remove from the watch list. Just because you got post in the name don't mean you're the same. So yeah, you ain't in the post chain gang. You know, do you have post chain? I know a lot of people with sacrifices are anxious and waiting. So, you know, shouts out to Corey, an investor, and Base Guide. Check them out on YouTube and on Twitter. You know, yeah, this is that. Do you have that post chain?
All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Here we go.
It's Base God on the track.
Posting that new crypto. We boss up, y'all tiptoe. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. We boss up, y'all tiptoe. Y'all tiptoe. So all right, here we go. Had that post chain. Do you have that post chain? Post chain. Do you have that post chain? Post chain. I know you want that post. Here we go. Post chain. I know you need that post. Here we go. Gotta get that post chain. Post chain. You gotta get that post chain. Post chain that new crypto. Crypto. Post chain that new crypto. We boss up, y'all tiptoe. Post chain that new crypto. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. We boss up, y'all tiptoe. Post chain that new crypto. Post chain that new crypto. We boss up, y'all tiptoe. Alright, here we go.
Base God on the track.
Alright, here we go. Post chain.
Shouts out to the man with the plan, Corey, an investor, and Base Guide. Do you have that post chain? Moving on to the last of the last, man. We got the Doge and the rest of the other cryptos. Doge and SHIB. I'm still keeping an eye. You know, you never know. I got this buy zone right here, just in case price wants to come down. and play around in my zone. 2 to 5 cents. Here it's still kind of high. I'm expecting for Bitcoin and the rest of crypto to take another leg down. Hex is just a little different, you know. And so, yeah, I'd love to get some 3-cent Doge. You know, they have Doge Chain coming up. That's the reason why I'm still interested. That is giving the coin some utility. I don't know what they're going to do, but that's kind of been the solution, you know, making these layer 2s. And, yeah, man, Doge as a chain, as a currency for the net. You know, I'll rock with it. SHIB, I think that's kind of a sneaker. A lot of people got the SHIB as just kind of copying Doge, but a lot of people who bought it have forgotten about it. There were a lot of noobs into the space who don't really follow the market. So you can see that is technically a higher low. And yeah, maybe setting up for something beautiful here. I don't know. Maybe pick up a few SHIB or 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know. But yeah, not financial advice. Do your own thing. Another one I like to look at is Colt. Colt not looking horrible right now. Down to about now this is still in play here, this line here, so I wouldn't be surprised. I'm still kind of waiting to see, but not a bad time to DCA and maybe just keep watching for Colt, and as well as Revolt. You know, they both have communities. You want something that has product market fit. As far as a social token, you know, you kind of have a social currency where you can get proposals and things like that. So having a nice bounce off this area here, I'm looking for some, if you're looking for an entry here. Yeah, it might not be a bad look at Revolt. I'm gone, man. I think that's it. I'm gonna have to stop right there, but you got to know I don't stop, man. We always own it. Shouts out to Kevin Gates and any other Kevins out there in the world. You know, we always own it. On Stop. That's gonna be my #1 song, BlaKCrypto, and you can find that one on my BlaKCrypto. Shouts out to anybody here with me this long, and until next time, I'm out.
I love the hills.
I don't stop, minding my money a lot, I ain't got it on none of you thoughts. Word to my pops, I ain't got time for the ops on the shit that can't piss in the pot, no we fist in the pop. Ain't no more wishing, we been on a mission to sit on the top. Kept it consistent like hands on the clock, put your hands on me, I put my hands on the Glock. Groove on the bitch, I ain't dancing on the lot, got the stove on the hip with the pans in the pots. Pop up shot, then circle the block, ran on the shirt, got the work on the block. Couple more hundreds to add to the knot, give me the crypto, don't fuck with the stock, don't fuck with the gold, that shit just a rock. I mean some Ethereum, ready to rock, all time hot and broke through the top. Put in the bar right before it take off, don't know what I'm talking, my nigga, you lost, got me scalping a minute to cover the cost. Gotta research it before you jump in it. Sometimes liquidity numbers be off. In at the low, out at the high. Just make sure you don't sell at a loss. Stop.